Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. At this point one thing is clear. This story was never meant to stay small. What started with a chance meeting was now become a chain of emotional explosion. A forced marriage turned into a growing connection. Protection turned into loyalty. A family conflict turned into a dangerous web of secrets, power struggles, and emotional fractures. And every new development only proves one thing: the storm around Arakan and Dickel is far from over. That is what makes the series so addictive. Every character now stands at a crossroads. Dickel is no longer just trying to survive her new world, she is also trying to survive the truth of her own pain. Arakan is no longer simply defending a decision. He is being pushed toward choices that could permanently change his relationship with his family and with himself. The household is no longer just tense, it is unstable, and when instability enters, a powerful family collapse is never far away. The emotional stakes are now higher than ever. If Dickel breaks, Arakan may lose the one person who gave meaning to his sacrifice. If Arakan steps too far in her defense, he may destroy the fragile balance holding his family together. If the wrong secrets come out at the wrong time, every hidden restaurant in that house could explode at once. And if the people working from the shadows keep tightening their grips, and love may not be enough to save everyone from the damage ahead. That is why this part of the story feels less like a pause and more like a warning. The audience can sense that everything is approaching a point of no return. The emotional foundation has already shifted. People are no longer where they once were. Dickel is not the frightening girl from the beginning. Arakan is not the man who could separate duty from emotions. And the family around them can no longer pretend that this marriage is temporary disruption. It has changed the center of everything. So now the question becomes sharper. Can love survive inside a house built on pressure and pride? Can truth heal or will it only destroy? Can Dickel and Arakan protect each other when the danger comes from every side, from the past, from the family, and from the secrets no one is ready to face? Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel.